Welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a nice slice. It's got a chocolate raspberry slice. It's very nice. You have to have some lovely chocolate through it and some lovely raspberries on the top. The first thing I've done here, I've lined an 18 by 28 tray and I've greased it and lined it with the baking paper so that you can pull it up out easy. Now all you have to do, look, I've already gone ahead. I've creamed 125 gram of butter and a cup of caster sugar. That's all the mixing I need to do, and then you're just putting everything in together, which is so quick and simple. Not much beating. I'm going to add some vanilla to my butter and sugar. I'm going to add some vanilla, and now I've just got to put everything in together. I've got a cup of plain flour here, half a cup of coconut, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 125 gram of little chopped pieces of chocolate, and 3 eggs here. So all we got to do now is just put it all together. I have beaten up the butter and the sugar. Now I'm just going to keep on adding my flour and my baking powder. I'm going to add my baking powder to that flour. Mix it all up. Just mix it all up, okay? And I've got 3 eggs here. I'm going to start giving a bit of eggs at a time. And just keep on mixing it all together. That's all you've got to do. It's very quick, very simple. It's a lovely dessert, a lovely slice for dessert. I'm just going to keep on putting all that together. I'm going to add my flour. I've got half a cup of coconut here. I'm going to start adding some of my coconut in. Mix it all up. Add a bit at a time. And now I'm going to put the rest of I've got 3 eggs here. I've whipped it through. Just put that through there like that. It's very easy. And now all we got to do is just put it all together. And I'm going to add all my nice 150 gram of lovely chocolate pieces. And then we're going to put some frozen raspberries on the top. It makes it a beautiful dessert. You can either serve it warm or cold, or unless you could serve it with some ice cream on the top. Okay, I'm just going to put all my flour in now. There was a cup of plain flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. That's all we wanted in there. Okay, now I'm just going to put that all together, and I'm going to add my 150 gram of chocolate pieces. They are beautiful because they melt right through, all through the pastry. That they just melt through, and it's beautiful. Look, it's so quick. Put it all together like that. I've got my oven on. It only needs about a 180 degree oven, and probably take it a good 35 to 40 minutes. And then I'm going to sprinkle my raspberries on the top when I put it in the tray. Now, just keep on whipping that all around until it comes all together. Those chocolate pieces will melt when it gets heated up. Just put it all together. Look, a beautiful soft mixture. Didn't take long to make. There's not a lot of mixing. Just put it all together like that. And I'm going to put that in the tray, and then I've got 150 gram of frozen. You've got to have frozen raspberries, and I'm going to put them on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this in my tray. Just put it all in there. Okay, and that chocolate will melt in there, beautiful. Just put it all in and spread it out, and then you put the raspberry on the top. The raspberries will melt when they get heated up, okay? I'm just going to get all this out of the bowl and keep it all together. I'm going to spread it all around. Okay, now just put that there like that. Just spread that down on the tray. It's an 18 by 28 tray. Just spread it all out evenly. Just spread it out all evenly. Lovely. As I said, just put it in the oven at 180, and it'll about 40 to 45 minutes, and you can tell when it's cooked. Okay, look, that's beautiful. Just spread that out like that. Very easy. That was easy to make. And this is a beautiful, beautiful raspberry, chocolate raspberry slice. It's very, very nice. You have it, as I said, hot or cold. And now all you've got to do is put the 150 gram of frozen raspberries. And what you've got to do is just put them on the top and put them in your pastry. Just keep on putting them in, and you're going to press them down. Just press them down in the pastry. Okay, just press them down like that. There's about 150 gram here. I'm going to press them down. They just go down like that, and they will all melt in the cake mix. Just put them all down there. So I had 150 gram of lovely frozen raspberries, and they will all dip into that cake mix. Okay, there you go. I'm just going to spread that all down like that. Just spread it all like that. Lovely. Get them all evenly. Just spread them down. When that cooks, they'll all just go into that lovely mixture. Look, this is such a beautiful chocolate raspberry slice. It's so quick to make, so lovely. You can either have it hot or cold. Serve it with a beautiful spoon of ice cream on the top, or unless you have it plain like that. That melted chocolate will go right through it, and those beautiful raspberries on the top will just sit on the top there. So that's very quick. It's a lovely a chocolate raspberry slice. Very quick to make, very easy. So just something different. Have that. Give it a try. Okay. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a good day. Bye.